Okay, good morning to everyone. Okay, don't raise your hand unnecessary. Please put your hands down. Dear student, please put your hands down. Okay, there is no need to raise hand. Okay, if I ask some questions and you know the answer, then raise your hand, and then I will unmute you. Then you answer. Then again you put your hands down. So just the 4 students, Shreshth Pandey, just put your hands down. Shaurya Kumar Mishra, Ankit Singh, 5th B, put your hands down. Dear students, Aditya Agrawal. Okay, Aryan Tiwari, just put your hands down. Okay, so we are revising the chapter number 11, simple machine. Okay, so we will go with the revision. Okay, so we all know that some work we can do by ourselves, and some work are very difficult to do. So we used to take the help of animals, just like bullock cart, horse cart. So we take the help of animals to do heavy work. But if the work is too heavy, is not cannot done by the animals also, so we use the help of machines, and machines make our work simple and easy. Okay, so why you have raised the hand? Okay, Shreshth Pandey, you have any doubt? Shreshth Pandey. Okay, Ankit Singh, you have any doubt? Ankit Singh. Okay, Shraddha Singh, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so put your hands down. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we are discussing that machines make our work easy and simple. So what is machine? First, it makes our work simple and easy. Okay, and I know you all know the definition of simple machines also. Okay, so first we need machine to make our work simple and easy. Why do we need machine? Because to do our work simply and in easy manner. And with the help of machine, we used to put less effort. Suppose there is no machine, so we have to put more and more effort. Okay, we have to do more work. But with the help of machine, what we have to do? We have to put some less effort. Okay, and machine are of two types. There are two types of machine. First one is simple machine, and second one is complex machine. So machines are of two types. Machine, first simple, and second one complex. Okay, be ready everyone. Okay, I can ask any one of the students who joined the class definition of simple machine. Okay, okay, Shaurya Kumar.
Hello.
Yes, sorry, you have
Sir,
to
the
tell me.
machine is few or no moving part are called simple machine.
Okay, machine having few or no moving parts.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
sir.
Very good. So machine having no moving part. Okay, or we can say few moving part. Either one or two moving part or no moving part is considered as a simple machine. So we can say for simple machine, few or no moving part. No moving part. Now, a simple machine uses a single applied force to get the work done. Means we have to apply force in single direction, in one direction. Okay, single applied force. It works either by increasing the force or by changing the direction of force. So simple machines, what it do? It increase the applied force. Okay, so suppose in the case of example of lever, what happened? It increase our effort, it increase our force. And in the case of pulley, you have discussed that, you have already learned this chapter. Okay, understand this chapter. So in case of pulley, what this pulley is a simple machine, it change the direction of force. Suppose when we are taking out water from the well, we have to put the force like this, means we have to push the bucket from the well in this direction. But with the help of pulley, what happened? The direction of force changed and we have to apply the force in this direction. Okay, so did you understand? Simple machine increase the force or change the direction of force. So the second point we have to remember for the simple machine is increase the force or change the direction of force. So we can write here for simple machine, simple machines. Okay, so having few or no moving part, no moving parts. Okay, and second, it increases the force or change the direction of force. It can increase the force or change the direction of force. Change the direction of force. Increase the force, example will be the lever, the simple machine which increase the force. Change the direction of force, that pulley. Okay, fixed pulley. Okay, students, why you have raised the hand? Just to put your hands down. There is no need to raise your hands. Okay, there are some simple machine we used, that bottle opener, scissor, screwdriver, stapler. Okay, these are simple machines. Now, complex machine. Complex machine are the machines that are made by combining two or more simple machine. Means complex machine is made up of when two or more simple work together in a combined way. Okay, suppose there is some machine in which two simple machines are working together. So what we call it? We consider it as a complex machine. Okay, so here for the complex machine, complex machine. Arthav Singh, you have any doubt? Arthav Singh, you have any doubt? No. Okay. So complex machines that are made by combining two or more simple machine that are made by combining two or more simple machine. Okay, there are a lot of examples of simple machine, complex machine, that is mixer grinder, sieving machine, washing machine. Okay, these are example of complex machine, because in complex machine there are two or more than simple machines are combined together to work. Okay, now types of simple machine. Types of simple machine. We have to discuss 6 types of simple machine in this chapter. So types of simple machine. Okay. Kautilya, you have to tell me the 6 types of simple machine. Kautilya? Unmute yourself and answer. Okay, he's not responding. Okay, take for another student. Anumeya,
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
So there are 6 type of simple machines: lever, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw, wheel, and axle.
Okay, very good. Okay, Aditya Agrawal. Aditya Agrawal, can you hear me?
Good morning.
Good. Just unmute yourself. Good morning. Okay, tell me the 6 types of simple machine. Aditya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the 6 types of simple machine.
Sir,
First,
doubt.
yes, you can ask.
Sir, PDF is not there.
I have shared the PDF yesterday in evening time.
No, sir, but not coming.
Not coming. You just check your WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay,
Again,
sir.
if you didn't get the PDF, you can ask me. Okay, on my WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Shreya Srivastav. Shreya Srivastav. Okay. Anshika Chaube.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, tell me the 6 types of simple machine.
Sir, lever, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, screw, wheel, and axle.
Okay, fine, good. So, okay, so by letter we can make it simpler for learning. LPI WSW. LPI WSW. L, first one, lever, pulley, then I, inclined plane, and there are 2 W, one for wedge and one for wheel and axle. And this S stands for screw. Okay, so there are 6 types of simple machine we have to discuss in this chapter. Okay, now you have already learned this chapter, so one by one you have to define me. I will ask randomly to one of the students, okay, any student, and you have to define me each of this simple machine. Okay, so first, lever is a simple machine and it is a straight rigid bar. Okay, hard rigid, we can say hard bar that rests on a support. Suppose this is a lever and it rests on a support. Suppose this is a support. Okay, now, and it is pivoted, it is fixed, we can say fixed point. Now when we apply force, who is operating the simple machine, that is called, suppose I am applying I am using this lever, so my force will be called effort. So when we apply force on the lever, the other arm of the lever goes up or down in the opposite direction. It is used to move a heavy load with one end when pressure is applied to the other end. So what happened, suppose there is a big load here. Okay, load, and big load, or we can say big stone is here. And how this lever work, suppose we apply force in on the other end, the person who is applying the force, the force will be called effort. Suppose if a person apply force here, that will be called effort. And what is the direction of force applied? Here, downward direction. Downward. Okay. Now it will lift upward, opposite direction, and we can lift the big stone or load with the help of lever, which is simple machine. So it will go up. We will apply like this. Suppose this is the lever and we apply like this. What happened? This load will lift. See, this load will lift upward direction. So upward direction. And the fixed point in the lever, it is termed as fulcrum. Fulcrum or fulcrum. Okay. So that there are three things in the lever. Okay. First, the load which we have to lift, the fixed point which is pivoted with the support, that is fulcrum, and the force we apply is called effort. Okay. I hope you have understand. Okay, Soumya, did you get it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So it is all about the lever. The three things we have to remember in the lever is, that is load, fulcrum, effort. Okay. Now, depending upon the relative position of fulcrum, effort, and load, the lever is classified into three parts. And yesterday I have told the trick or to remember the three classes of lever. Okay, who will answer today for the three classes of lever? Okay, Shraddha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, you have to define the three classes of lever: class 1 lever, class 2 lever, and class 3 lever.
So in class 1 lever, fulcrum is located between the load and the effort. And in class 2nd lever, load lies between the fulcrum and the effort.
Okay.
And in class 3rd lever, effort lies between the fulcrum and the load.
Okay, very good. So yesterday I told you to trick to remember the classes of lever definition. FLE means first class. In first class lever, fulcrum lies between load and effort. Okay. In first class lever, fulcrum will be between. The term that I've written the FLE in each class. In first class, fulcrum will be in between. In second class, load will be between. And third class lever, effort will be in between. So how to make definition? In first class lever, fulcrum lies between load and effort. In second class, load lies between fulcrum and effort. In third class, effort lies between fulcrum and load. So it is all about the lever. Okay. And your homework is, you just prepare the chapter simple machine. Okay. I will be asking the questions from the exercise and definition from the chapter. Okay. Because this chapter is completed. And if you have any doubt, so you will, you can ask tomorrow. Okay. So the last question from Sresht Pandey. Okay, Sresht, can you hear me?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, define class 3 lever, class 3rd lever.
Class 3rd lever.
Yes.
In class 3rd lever, the effort lies between the fulcrum and the load. Example of fishing rod.
Fishing rod and shovel.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, for now, the time is over. So for now, thank you. Bye. Take care.